Today we are here at Victoria Bowl for a very fun catcher team event. We are about to open. The lanes have just turned on. We're going to fill the place up right here on one side, Cosmic on the other. Pizza, people, party, it's all going to happen today. We're having this great catcher team event. I'm so happy for all my clients who are able to come. For those of you who couldn't make it, this is becoming an annual thing. So put it on your calendar, come out in May. We're going to bowl, bring the kids, have a great time. Don't miss your tickets in the mail next year when they come out. But for everyone here, let's have some fun. I cannot wait to see your best bowling scores.
We're here at the Victoria Bowl here. We got the full lanes. Every lane is full. And we just got pizza in. Pizza.